Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so if we let P of X be X has access to an electronic mailbox, then for part A, every user has access to an electronic mailbox for all X P of X. Okay, now for part B, the system mailbox can be accessed by everyone in a group if the file system is locked. Now let's let Q of X be the mailbox can be accessed by users in group X. And let's let L of X be the file system in group X is locked. System is locked for X. Okay, then we have the system mailbox can be accessed by everyone in a group if the file system is locked. So we have that for all X, if our system is locked, then this implies that Q of X or group X has access to that mailbox. Now for part C, that the firewall is in a diagnostic state only if the proxy server is in an diagnostic state. Okay, what does that mean? Let S of X be, or actually no, let's let D of X be that group X has the firewall in or firewall at diagnostic state. And let's let T of X be our proxy server for group X is in diagnostic state. Okay. So this means that and we said the firewall is in a diagnostic state only if the proxy server is in a diagnostic state. So if our proxy server is in a diagnostic state, then this implies that D of X is also. So this is for all X. Now for part D, we have that at least one router is functioning normally if the throughput is between 100 kbps and 500 kbps, and the proxy server is not in diagnostic state. Okay, let's let U of X comma Y be that the router Y is functioning normally. Let's let V of X be the throughput is between 100 and 500. Let's let W of X be that the proxy server group X is in diagnostic states. So this means that there exists an X such that when V of X and W of X is true, this implies that there exists some Y such that U of X comma Y is true.